Yo, what is up, guys? It is CRPHD back with another video.
Okay, got something for y'all today. Sorry. So literally yesterday, I was doing some homework. I left my computer alone just for a little bit of time and came back and the screen was black. The first thing that came to mind was that the computer had possibly fallen to sleep. Like, I don't think I was gone that long, but you know, I just figured move the mouse, shake it around a little bit, we'll be back up and running. But after, you know, extensive research, trying to do first aid on the hard drive, to completely erasing it and formatting it to install a fresh new copy of whatever operating system I had on it before, like High Sierra, I think it was. Basically, after all that, I just came to the conclusion that the hard drive was dead. It kept making this weird clicking noise, and yeah, I was kind of in a pickle. Hopefully it is just the hard drive that's broke, because if it's something else, I might just get rid of the computer overall. But what I'm going to try and do today is go to Best Buy, get a new SSD, and install that into the computer, and then install it with a fresh operating system. If you guys are watching this video, that means everything worked out successfully as I, initially thought it would. So, yeah, today I'm going to be trying to fix my iMac that is, at this point in time, completely useless to me. All right, we're here at Best Buy. I got the SSD and the SSD mount, which will basically hold the SSD in place where the hard drive used to originally go, so I don't have to like tape it down or anything like that. But yeah, good to go. Okay, I am back. I have everything in hand, or almost everything in hand that I need, but the main components at least. I did do a fair bit of research to make sure I'm not lost whenever I crack the computer open. Everything seems pretty self-explanatory for the most part. It's literally just, taking off the glass panel, the LCD screen, and then getting to the hard drive itself, which should be pretty hot swappable, but yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. And there she goes. Put that up here. Okay, so this is pretty much what everything looks like from my perspective. We are getting into the bulk of where everything pretty much is. I mean, literally all we pretty much have to worry about is this part, because I can tell by the videos that this is the hard drive. But yeah, so far, not too bad. We're doing pretty good, so let's keep going. Okay, lift that off. Bada bing, bada bam. Hard drive. So I guess that this is the wrong mounting bracket, because I don't see how it's supposed to fit anywhere in here in particular, so that's a bummer. But what I can just go ahead and do is take this back, buy the new one, and then for now just get this kind of slotted nice and securely in there, since the computer isn't going to be moving around as much, and maybe like get some electrical tape or some tape in general just to hold it down and make sure it doesn't rattle or move around in the case where I do move again. So yeah. Okay, so I got the SSD mounted into place. I did have to use a little bit of Scotch tape in order to make sure it's held down securely in place. I was gonna show myself putting it back together, but I don't think that's 100% necessary, and because I'm running out of space on my SD card, so with the magic of editing, we're just gonna get back to the point to where the whole computer is reassembled, and then we're going to try booting it up and taking the necessary steps to get it back up and running, whether that be getting a fresh operating system installed, formatting it, whatever it may be. But yeah, so far so good. Okay, computer is all put together, booted up. I ran it through the internet recovery, and this is the screen that I'm seeing, just so you guys can see as well. We got restore from Time Machine backup, which we're not about to do. Reinstall new copy of Mac OS. Yes, please. We are now installing Mac OS High Sierra. I did go ahead and reformat the SSD just in case for any compatibility issues, but I reformatted it. As you guys can see, the SanDisk SSD is popping up. Mac OS High Sierra is installing. We are on track. Everything is looking very good. And I just hope that we can get this thing back up and running, because I really need to edit this video and, you know, just to have my computer running. Oh my God, guys, I consider this a dub. It took a little bit of time. No, scratch that. It took a lot of time, a lot of patience, but we did it. I did it. Yes. And then just so you guys can see that we're on Mac OS High Sierra. And then let's go to storage. SanDisk SSD, baby, 1 terabyte. So that is pretty much it. iMac is up and running, so that means you are going to be able to watch this video. Because at first it was a little bit of a question mark. I wasn't sure. I was running into some issues. The first go around it wouldn't boot up properly, so I had to, you know, reboot it, and, you know, a little bit of a hassle. But point is, we got it. We did it. But as always, I really want to thank you guys if you made it till the end of the video. It really means a lot to me. Be sure and stay tuned, because the next video is right around the corner. Peace. Bro, I am so tired right now. I was up at like 6 in the morning doing homework, writing an essay for class, and then I actually had to get ready, go to class, sit through class, and then go to Best Buy, and then come back and, you know, put the SSD and, you know, put in the computer and do all that stuff, and then film on top of that. So yeah, it's been rough. Your boy is very tired, but, you know, we gotta get that good content coming out. So yeah, I'm probably about to go to sleep now.